frantically, I'm back at it again with another video, as you can see. So today is gonna be a extremely different video than I ever have done, and I always say that, but this is like legitimately completely different. Like I've never done a video type like this at all. But anyway, so yeah, you already know what it's about, but we just gonna go ahead and get into this. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so I wasn't sure if I wanted to. Okay, well basically, clearly the video is about the new iPhone and the new watch, but I wasn't sure if I wanted to do like a video with them both in it or do two different videos, so we'll see how I feel. So I might have another intro, but I'm not sure yet because I almost I don't know, I don't want to edit another video probably, but I don't know, I probably should do two different videos. I don't know, but anyways, yeah, so you know what the video is about. It's about the new iPhone, the XS Max, okay? I am so excited right now. I've been waiting for this phone. Like, I work at a phone store, so I've been knowing right off tops. I watched the whole the spec notes on it and everything, so I'm hecka excited. I'm hecka excited to start recording with this phone because right now I'm still recording with my 7 Plus right now, and it's cool, but excuse me, but but so I got the gold color, not rose gold, wow, but in 256 gigs, and this is what the box looks like that. And it's super, I don't know if the other boxes, I can't remember, I'd have to look, but if the other boxes have the 3D effect on it, because the iPhone on the box, it's standing out a little bit and I can feel it. It's 3D, so it's hecka cool. I'm like, oh, this is why you get us coming and going. But yeah, so I'm really excited about this. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe it. I'm so excited. And so at my job, I ordered it and then I had to cancel it, and then because we had been getting them in, so I was like, why do I have to wait for it to come in the mail? And it's not coming, it's back ordered, so that's scratched. And so I canceled the order, and then I called stores around me and to see if they had the phone that I wanted and the specs that I wanted. And I called one and they had it, and I was like, yes. So I went and got it today, and it's Sunday the 30th, about to go to Wild 'N Out with my niece and my sister, so it's gonna be lit, and I'm so excited that I get to record with this phone. But yeah, no, when I was at the store getting the device, wow, I sound like I'm at work. The phone, gosh. But anyways, so when I was there though, one of the guys that I actually did training with was working, so I was like, oh yep, bet. Come read me out, kid. And so but he as soon as he walked out from the back, he started opening the box, and I was like, no. I was shook it, because we're not supposed to do that, but I was like, wow. I legitimately in my head was I'm not opening any of these till I record, and you started opening the box already. And I was like, bro, and so he was like, do you want me to go get you another one? I was like, yes please, thank you, because you come on now. But yeah, so let's just get into the box already. Enough with that long intro, but wait, just kidding. So before we even get into anything, go ahead, drop a like and subscribe, okay? And after the video, please let me know what you think about the video. Let me know what you think about the phone. Let me know if you think it's a blatant waste of money. I know everyone that I've been working with and everything is everyone that's been coming into my store oh, it's such a waste of money to get that phone and blah blah blah. I'm just not if you use it properly. Not if you use the phone it can be used, because that phone can make you money. So if it makes you money, then it's not a waste of money. I'm if you just playing video game, if you just playing the apps and going on social media, then yeah, that's a bit of a waste of money. But if you actually use it I'm about to be using it, it's gonna be very useful. Because I was thinking okay, I could get this phone, or I could get an actual camera, but regardless, I'm gonna get the camera anyways. But I was just yeah, that just it just makes me feel a little better to have not gotten the camera yet and just got the phone. But yeah, regardless, I'm gonna get the camera because I need one for my YouTubing. So, but like I vlog, I feel like, well, I haven't posted any vlogs, but I like to record outside and like record when I'm doing stuff. So like when and I use my phone for that. I'm not gonna have, like, I don't have a vlogging camera yet, but I plan on getting one. But I use my phone like that, so I'm like, I need a phone that is tip top, and my phone has been tripping. So I'm like, you've been good for me, but you're gonna get retired. I don't think I'm gonna sell it just because it's 256 gigs too, so it has a lot of information on it, and I don't want to transfer it onto this one because it's basically used all up. So I'm not gonna put anything from that phone on here, except like some videos that I need to edit and stuff. But other than that, yeah, no, that's gonna just sit there and be my camera too. But yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new, thank you for coming to my YouTube channel. I'm greatly enjoying you guys. So please, if you're new, let me know that you're new, and let me know if you like this video. Like if you actually like think it's interesting what I'm doing. So, because I like to know. Like, I like to get comments from you guys. Like, seriously, I think I say that in, like, a lot of my videos. Probably should say it in every single one, but I haven't. But I really enjoy, like, commenting back to you guys and, like, actually interacting with you guys. So, hopefully, like, I'll get, like, popping enough, you know what I'm saying, to where I can be on live and, like, people actually want to, like, conversate on there. And, like, I can just, because I do some, like, live videos on my Instagram. So, follow my Instagram. I'm going to have it right here. It's going to be in the, description box. But I have 2 Instagrams, so you can follow Brandon Cleopatra, and that's like my promoting myself Instagram. And then I have my personal Instagram, which you guys can definitely follow too. I have more of like my life and stuff on there, but I love to watch her. So you guys go ahead and follow those, and let me know, like DM me and stuff, or comment on my pictures and stuff, and let me know if you want to see me do live videos and like do my makeup or whatever. I don't know, talk to you guys, you know, answer questions or something. That'd be cool. But yeah, let's just get right into the video, you guys. This was a long intro. Oh, the baby. I'm like so excited. Okay, so let's get into it. Oh my gosh, this is my first ever iPhone unboxing video, so I'm heck excited. So let's just go ahead and get into it. Ooh, ooh. Oh my gosh, I love opening the boxes at my job. So, but just for the fact that it's mine, I'm so even more happier. And it smells like new stuff. Okay, so let me let you guys see it though. Hella sexy right now. Like, this phone is so freaking pretty, and we haven't even seen the color. Oh, we iced out clean. Oh my gosh. So first of all, this color, this gold, this new gold color, like this is like the latest gold that Apple's come out with, and this is like so freaking clean. It's so pretty. Like, it's gold, but it's like hecka chrome, like on the sides, and then it's like a chocolate kind of gold. It's not pinky really at all. It's like legit gold, but it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, like look at that. What did they expect us to do? And then the black screen, it just plussed on that. Just plussed on that. Like, I cannot, like, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh, let me turn it on. Let's see. Let's get into the nitty gritty. Yes. Oh my gosh. And like the dual cameras, like I love how the X looks in general because of how the camera is like, it's vertical. So I'm like, this looks so clean, and like around the edges it's gold too. Like, this is just so much. And this is like a big part of what we're paying for. Like, I mean, granted, it definitely doesn't, it's not that expensive for them to make the phones, but like, this looks like an expensive device. Like, it looks like it's very good quality, like sturdy. Like, granted, that's why I got my gear already too. Don't even pretend. But that's why you gotta get your protection for your phone. like, you know, your case and your screen protectors. Like, I used to not play around with my phones when I was a kid. Like, I would have all types of screen protectors on the back, the front, the camera. If they have it, I'm getting it. Like, it's not a game. Thanks for watching, Loveys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.